Okay, hello everyone. So this is lesson 13. We focus on the DevSecOps and CI/CD, the pipeline.
Okay, the last week I taught you how to make a secure coding, yeah, and try to make sure our source code is safe, and you can use some software to verify some source code and check some bugs and some vulnerabilities. And today I bring the new lesson and focus how you can transfer your source code to some to the cloud or some the system for running, yeah, some a kind of deployment. So this lesson specify for some degree, maybe take a job after your master graduation. And I think you can ask more questions to understand how this DevSecOps work, and maybe you can benefit a lot to you some very fundamental knowledge about how you can develop a good security software and deploy automatically and save time. Yeah, very important. High quality software and develop in the short time. Something is save time. Yeah, save time. And the next week, we will discuss about the SDK and some of the circuit can help you to build our software. Okay. Okay. So today lesson we focus about the DevOps and DevSecOps the process. You look at this is kind of the model a little bit. You see abstract, yeah. So something you don't understand for now. Also, that's okay. Actually, I think you already did seven part like a code, yeah, and build the test. Okay, this part you knew how to do it. Like you can code by C and C plus, and you can build by Visual Studio, and you can find and test a security test by for a fire and check some program. So yeah, the past lessons you already knew several technique and some the tool. So today we will check overall, yeah, sees how the dev Earth and DevSecOps how it's work in overall and sees how we can make the software look very professional and high quality. Yeah, that is our today we will learn. So the goal for our lesson, because this is only one of lesson and very quick, yeah, very quick lesson focus on the DevSecOps and the CI/CD. So I hope you can learn what is DevOps and DevSecOps and what is CI/CD, the pipelines, and I will show you one demo case from the Amazon's, yeah, the company. This is very big company, yeah. This one online the website in US is very big, and have some the software. Yes, Amazon, yeah, Amazon, yeah, yeah, Amazon. Yeah, you know this one maybe, yeah, in the cloud, very famous in cloud computing. Yeah. So I will show you how they do and how they make some software development on their platform. Yeah. So anyone know about the yeah? I suppose you know something. You do not know. You're a beginner about the software development. So you know currently have a lot of uh, software and very big software like Google, and this is Trend Micro, the antivirus, or some the internet security, or some the endpoint security. So this is very big software. I want this very big software. So do you know how this big software is built? So that is one of the important questions I want to have you answer today. Okay, mostly some of the big security software we based on some very strong team. This is from the Google team, some Google developer, and some the tester, and some the serial manager, and some some security expert. Yeah. So, but how to make sure this strong team can cooperate with each other to build very good software? So that is our target today. How yeah, today for to answer? Yeah. Yeah, so actually, before we go into detail how we can build a good team to develop a good software, we can ask ourselves, when we build a team to maybe make a homework or to develop the final project, like yeah. So how you can build for a good team, like a 3 member, 5 member, or even number of member is greater than 10. So about a team three, so how you can do that? Actually, this one, if your team only have 3 members, so I think a little bit easier, because you can make yeah, the team leader take care a lot of tasks, right? Can take care to be a team leader, a coder, eventually a security tester, and the other have a designer and a coder. Yeah, designer first and coder later and follow. So can I make, yeah, this is a maker to develop a software. But this is one is small, because the 3 pupils and 3 members cannot do something very big software, because have a million code line of code are very hard for one coder maybe develop one year. Is a high quality. I would say high quality the software and high quality code. We not say about some very homework the software or something like that. So easy, but about the high quality software. So I think in one year, one the coder maybe generate about two, maybe 10,000 line of code. I think the high quality code is good enough. Yeah. I'm not sure. Maybe have a Superman. Yeah, have a Superman work very quickly. Yeah. But team five. So when you have a 5 members, so how you can assign the roles for each member? So I suppose you cannot do some suggestion like this. Okay, the team leader and have a role for programmer, yes, program designer, yeah, just team leader and take care both program designer, and you have a coder, have a two coder to accelerate the program is make faster, and designer, yeah, designer, we make sure we have a very good design and good beautiful looking and beautiful look, like I would have this word GUI. Yeah, have a good GUI, and can make like this, make your app look beautiful. And the other is a tester or client support. Yeah, so this way. So this one, team five, that mean five members can do a bigger software and can take care about a small business. Uh, Long ago, I have this kind of team too, and to set up one small team to earn money when I was undergraduate student. I do some web application. Yeah, so we kind of make a team like this. I'm a team leader, so I design systems, back end, and we have a back end. Yeah, this back end, and this designer for front end. If you are good in both the back end and the front end, you will become a full stack. Yeah, full stack. Oh, yeah, so Superman. And the coder, yeah, so this one can help you to build a good software, maybe small enough to build and can deliver to client in the 1 month or uh, 20 days. Yeah, 20 days. So actually, on a tester like this or client support, this one can support a many project and not only one project. Yeah. So that's team five. Team include five members. But about the team number of member greater than 10, so how we can manage this model? So that the will be big questions. I hope you can answer that question based on your experience in your company. If you have internship, but you are not, okay, we want to go to how we can manage this development. So that's our goal today. So okay, uh, so the first problem when you want to produce produce, okay, sorry, this one produce high quality software. So the first thing you need that is a standard process. Yes, standard process in the development state. You need to have a standard and professional, professional process and professional practice. You not cannot follow. Okay, I like this one, so I follow this one to develop. No, you need to have a standard process. Level. This is a traditional model. You get a from the client requirement, and after you have got a requirement from client, you ask the designer to design to make a front end the system and how the system look. What's the filter? Yes, what the filters include, and the function. Yeah, the function or function for each part in the design. And after you have a design, you can make you can program. Yeah, go to the implementation or you code. Like you code, you can C and C plus and PHP or the Python. You code it. You code, and after you code, you have some demo or some staging products, and you can test. Yeah, you can test like this, see how it's looking, is follow our design or not. And after test, you pass. This pass, so you can go to deploy in the production. Use the production mode. You will not pass. Test is not pass. That means you need to go back implementation to fix, right? Yeah, that is a kind of yeah, this is a kind the development process. This standard and this called the waterfall the model. This is very famous, but long ago, about 50 year or longer. It has some advantage. This model is a conventional approach. Is very easy to train for everyone because everyone can can follow this model because easy to understand step by step. But the disadvantage is very unsuitable for some modern software development because if I give some example like this. Okay, this requirement from the this first month about the for example this one. This is a date, and after you design implementation, and after 1 month about the and this date, the client go back and see, okay, this one is not good. I want to change. Wow. So that's one big trouble because the client requires many change during development. So you need to design again, and after you implement and you test. So that's make our work is look messy and take a lot of time. If the client requires a lot of change during the development. So that's a process not suitable for some the software and the software have a development cycle is very short because they need to update many version after 1 month or 2 month like mobile app or some the web app. Yeah, so this development is not suitable. Yeah. 1 second. Live. Yeah. So this one is this is traditional or conventional the model, and they need to yeah. So project require a lot of change, so we need to have a new model. That is Angel. Yeah, Angel model. Angel models are this one. That's mean this kind of chain. Okay, sorry. This kind of chain can support a lot of chain. And that means after you get the requirement from the client, you plan and design, develop and test and deploy. That's only for one phase, phase one, and complete on about 10 days. 10 days. And after you finish the phase one, you ask the client, okay, this phase one, how it look? Like, like you have one website, right? The first step, you do not do complete website. You want to do some the homepage website. This is a homepage homepage website first. MC ask client, okay, so what about this homepage? Do you like it? And after client, okay, say okay, that is look beautiful. I want to go to the next step. So next step that is we plan to develop not about the home page. We will about some one the other page like we have author page. Yeah, author page or detail or some the products page. Yeah, product page in detail. So that means we need to come to next one and similar. This one are to setting page. Yeah, setting page. And this one is about the check out page. Yeah, check out. So that's you see on this process, that means you can mostly complete some initial version and products are available after 6 weeks, but they do not include a lot of functions. They include seven simple function. Yeah, and the software can improve based on client feedback, frequent feedback. Yeah, the client sees the homepage and look not okay. So I need to change. So I very quickly I can change and test and deploy again, and I can go to the next part. So that means after one at the end of this process, the client very happy because he already feedback some function or something he didn't like in some step. So in the final, he look okay everything. I am satisfied. Yeah. So that is a goal for our development, right? Yeah. So the big yes big problem is we have Azure, yeah, Azure, yeah, Azure, yeah, and Azure, the model. We have waterfall. So the goal is this is standard practice and can help us to speed up the development of big software with high quality. I want to emphasize high quality because some of the software for Tesla, like this one for Tesla, is very big. If you have a yes, this is a good team, right? If you don't have some standard and you develop by yourself, you like you code no, so that will be make this software maybe have a lot of bugs and you don't have a time to fix all. So to make a software high quality for library for car, yeah, for car, this one very important about the safety, right? Yeah, the safety. So the safety, yes, the safety. Sorry, to make sure the safety, you need to have high quality software. So you need to follow the standard. Yeah. So besides the waterfall model and the Azure model, I will introduce the third one related to the DevOps. This DevOps, that is a term included development plus operation equal to DevOps. Actually, this is a kind of practice. As practice does mean how you do and some kind. This practice combines the software development like a dev or coder and IT operational. Yeah, IT operation. Or this is coder or yeah coder or tester or something like that. Tester and IT operations. That is about the system admin. Sysadmin. So when we combine this one together, we make the software development like a circle, and they can in the one of cycle, yeah, in one of cycle, life cycle like this, yeah. So we can help to shorten the development life cycle, or we can save the time, and we can help to develop very good software or high quality high software quality, or high quality software, sorry, yeah. Have the other opinion about DevOps? That's the union of people and process and product to enable, yeah, continuous delivery of value to the end user. So actually, that's union. This is called a make a team. Team, yeah, make a team, a good team, and make sure your team works very well to produce a high quality software by follow one of set practice. Yes, so DevOps just mean include set a standard practice, and uh, everyone in the team will be follow. Yeah. Or this is the one for example when the developer and the team want to develop one software related to the data science the service. So the app developer can this is the dev, yeah, the dev or code by use some IDE yeah, this one IDE or and post to the GitHub, yeah, and can reach Git repository. And after that, when we this code will be deployed in the server like DevOps service, so can build and release and can run directly on the near the service running on some of the server service server. So from there, yes, Kubernetes can host some deploy. So like I developed my website. Yeah, I developed my website, my CC cyber security. Yeah, cyber security dot com, something like this. My security lab I developed. Yeah, I am dev, so I code by Notepad plus plus, and I after code I post to the GitHub, and GitHub will be go to the one github.com server, and it will be built automatically in the server and can run. So when you type my lab the website, okay, this is have lab. My lab website run directly uh, on the server. So when I have update anything, I do the same thing. So that means I do not need to do something related to the server and service. I only code push to this one and config or set some the setting on the service to make sure it's released and built at the same time. So this is save a lot of time for you, because if you do from the scratch, that means after you have a code, you need to find and set up a new server, and you need to make sure you have the good operating system, uh, and you need to have the web server, install the web server, install some of the firewall, and install some of the protection system, and do everything. After that, you publish your server, and you can access. So that is a kind of very traditional model you see in our campus or many lab in our many lab. But when you go to the industry, you need to follow the standard, and they do not do some okay, they save some software in the PC and run directly. That's on for a kind of local software. But for enterprise software, they will follow the DevOps. Yeah, the DevOps. Yeah, that is about the and what about the depth sectors? This is depth sectors. That mean they include the security. Yeah, you see, this on in the middle. We have development and operation. So we will include the security in the middle, and we make sure we have a full. Yeah, we have security check, yeah, security check for operation and security check for development. So that is called a DevSec course. Yeah. Yes, this is trending the practice to involve security in development life cycle, and it can help to speed up the program delivery and maintain the security. This one for dev op, right? And this for sec, we include in the middle. Yeah. And here you can see this is developer, this is security expert, and this is IT operation. So we will include three way to the development and yeah development life cycle and make sure our code will be secure. So what's happened if we don't have a security expert like this? I think I highlight this figure a lot because that means if the DevOps is develop a lot of develop the software and they doesn't found something the security vulnerabilities, and after he delivers the software for testing, the security expert need to check and need to fix. So that is alive with this one. A lot of book and check, yeah, and books fix, yeah, books fix. And see, this one is so working so hard because the deliver all the software. They will all the software to security check, and after 6 months, I think it take a lot of time to fix one by one. So better is security software will be sit with developer and IT operation after uh, every every delivery step to make sure they can control some system book very frequently. Yeah. Yes. So you see, this is security secure to cover all the depth. Yeah. To make sure they can cover, yeah, cover all this part. So if you want to check more about the depth setup and more detail and more of yeah, so Jenkins, Papaya, and yeah, Ply, and about the Docker. Some this one is very good quality. This one, yeah, this one automate penetration testing. This one you can follow. You can check this uh, QR code. Okay, Ply, yeah, Ply. So the question is why DevSecOps is very important. Actually, I will show you on the on the figure. I like it a lot. Yeah, here is a kind of you views. This is a security, yeah, security fence and security checker. Yeah, the check uh, for security entrance. And you see this road, you build a security checker here, but have a lot of person, yeah, a lot of people they want to go, we want to go around. So that is no use, right? This one no use. So that is why one very important, yeah, is this moral. The dev and the dev or coder and security expert and IT operation need to sit together and to make sure you have a very good software. Yeah, not live this. Like this doesn't mean after you build software and you do not care about security, you only play security here. And security, we only care about himself, don't care about each other. So after this one, they exploit. Yeah, some hacker or attacker they exploit. They go around. That can break the system, right? Or this one, uh, more visual example. You have a very big program. You have a big program, and in your company you have maybe 10 or 20 college, and each one each person will be contribute one the different code. Yeah, your code is a different function. The college one, college H, and the team leader, the code so different. Yes, so different. But the program include a lot of code, right? And it include many component and many part. So how to make sure this is program work well and doesn't fall to the sea. Yeah, these containers. And if attacker attack the operating system or attack some the part here, if your program is not good, that means they can exploit a vulnerability, and they can exploit something like this and can break the system and can make this one fall like this, fall to the tree, C. Yeah, like this. The program will be collapsed. Yeah, after the article attack. Yeah, if it will be a bad set or process. Yeah. So if the program is well designed with a good depth set of process, it can resist any kind of attack level. Okay, even you have book your the ship or the program look like Superman. Yeah, can go through the storm. Yeah, so storm or the wave is become a attacker. So the in the industry, the DevSecOps or kind of information security or we about security maybe one the person and take care a lot of IT. This is coder, yeah, the coder, and this is IT operation. So only one the security expert and care a lot this one. I think this maybe have more to three cover about this one because one person maybe cannot cover all the code because this 100 coders they will be generate a lot of security problem. So one person cannot fix on have to fix and have to fix very hard. So go back to our original the team. So when we set the team, at least you need to have one good coder, good about the security. Yes, security. So suppose maybe the team leader, yeah, team leader, or in a very big team, maybe you can specify seven security expert to take care about that task. Yeah, and this is a DevSecOps in the Amazon. This is so complicated. So if you have time, you can check more. But as you see, after generate the code and you push to the GitHub and you can commit to the code apply and this one and build for some some the link and this one can connect to the Amazon service, yeah, Amazon service, and in Amazon they have some the platform can support automatic can deploy, yeah, or testing like webs. They can support the testing, and they can run some application uh, for self protection, yeah. So yeah, everything test is pass for some. This is a testing key so they can deploy to the production or staging this only for test or development testing. Okay, remember staging just mean testing or only for demo. Yeah. Important is yes, production. And production, you can monitor some, yeah, and about the log and some service. Yeah, this one is DevSecOps in the Amazon. Yeah, so I want summary, yeah, summarize some the key part about the DevOps and DevSecOps. So DevOps is kind of okay. Remember that is set of practice can combine software development and IT operation. And DevSecOps involves security in DevOps. Okay, so that is first. So actually, you can see about the you can go to, yeah, you can go to the web in the website. Some you can check about DevSecOps. Yeah, you can check about and have a lot of uh, website you can check. And this one have some further. And yeah, you can check about synopsis. This one a concept. Yeah, and from the Red Hat. Yeah, yeah, this one I get from the Red Hat. Yeah. The last one is related to the CI/CD pipeline. Yeah. This one is CI/CD. That's one for next software development take practice to make sure you make DevSecOps is more automation. Yeah. Okay, this CI/CD that means a continuous integration or a continuous deployment, and that is can help you deliver new software in a shorter time. Okay, this in shorter time, or I would say this is save time. So we learned about the Angel and DevOps, right? We some previous slide we already learned about Angel. So the Angel the focus about the design thinking and the test and feedback cycle and how to make to save time. And in DevOps they focus about control and they can interconnect with the task and process, yeah, DevOps and the life cycle, and CI/CD focus on automation. That's mean DevOps you have a very good DevOps the process. Now I make DevOps become more autonomous or can support automation. So that is CI/CD. Yeah. So mostly they will use automation tool and optimize some integration and the development. Yeah. So that is next step. Next step. So DevOps to the CI/CD. Yeah. So yeah, the goal for CI/CD is make higher quality the code because you can test build and some security tests and deployment. Everything automation. So by automatically through you can reduce or minimize human error, yeah, and maintain a consistent process for how software is released. So this one is high quality and very high quality. And I think currently a lot of uh, big companies, they use a CI/CD. Yeah. And this is one picture I like it. If the coder run the test, this one is manual. Okay, manual. Manual, you need a test a field and succeed. Okay, you need to test code again and run test field and succeed and code run test. Okay, to deploy to production. So this one take a lot of time, and sometimes you feel crazy and maybe feel mad after you run tests and feel a lot of delivery. So to make sure you have a very good program, you need to make this one automation. Yeah, automation. This is a DevSecOps, the tool for enterprise CI/CD, the process. After this is DevOps process. When you have a shortcode, you publish to the Bit bucket or GitHub, and go to some the server like a Bamboo, Azure, uh, yeah, and testing artifacts deploy. This one for each platform. This platform support test, yeah, deploy. But in the security, this DevSecOps, so say a little bit different. Like you can submit code to the 45, where and yeah, some the systems because they need to check the short code, right? Check uh, secure code, yeah, secure code. And after that, you can run and select some the test and scan or library or webs, yeah, or tenable.io. And after that, you can go to some of the system to library. Until you run some of the service like Nessus or uh, micro focus, yeah, something like that. And you can use some the Splunk or Opquart or some software to monitor your security system. Okay, you can check about the tool, this tool in this QR code to check more how this oral system work. Okay, the last one I want to summarize about CI/CD. That is automate the software development and testing, production and the monitoring. So CI/CD is the current software development model. So if you go to the industry, maybe you can see this CI/CD is a model, maybe very familiar. Yeah. So that is our today's lesson. Yeah.